Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining who you are speaking to and what you want them to do. This clarifies every choice you make. Once done, pick a clear format and a target length so you have a production envelope. Make sure to prepare your basic kit now: a camera or good phone, a microphone, a stable mount, and simple lighting. These first steps speed up shooting and reduce indecision. When you know the goal and tools, you shoot with purpose and avoid wasted footage. You now execute with structure. Start each take stating the point so edits remain clear, and follow your outline to keep momentum. Once you have primary footage, capture B-roll and cutaways at 15 to 30-second intervals to cover jump cuts and reinforce visuals. Make sure to record multiple takes of tricky lines and label files clearly so editing stays fast. This careful mid-process work saves hours later. Because you finish by editing for rhythm, tighten pauses, add transitions, and place B-roll to illustrate points while keeping your intro under 10 seconds. Once done, export with platform-friendly settings like 1080p at a reasonable bitrate and clear audio so playback is smooth. Upload and optimize metadata, title, thumbnail, tags, and a pinned call to action to help discovery. If uploads fail or quality drops, check export settings and re-render at a stable bitrate. Re-encode only the problem clip to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.